This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KIH-27, transmitting from a tower in Broken Bow, Oklahoma, operating on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. The current time is 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the current observations for the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, and Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Drumright, or 3 miles northwest of Bristow, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Tulsa, Sapulpa, Bristow, Sand Springs, Kellyville, and Oakhurst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tulsa County Emergency Management Agency, in conjunction with the Creek County Police Department. The current severe thunderstorm over Shamrock and Bristow has been reported to have a significant increase in lightning, as well as the lightning giving off a strange green appearance. Several reports of lightning strikes have also shown that the lightning is much stronger than normal lightning, having the power to explode trees when struck, with tree bark and wood fragmenting like a fragment grenade, killing 13 people in Shamrock. It has also been reported that many above-ground structures are rendered useless in Bristow with this ominous green lightning has the ability to destroy these structures. If you are in this severe thunderstorm warning, please take the following actions. Go into an underground shelter. These seem to be the only form of protection against this lightning. Repeat, go into an underground shelter as soon as possible. This is a day.
Hello, Tulsa. Oh, don't feel alone and left out. You'll have your part too. Just give it some time.
We just got news of a mysterious thunderstorm which is now reported to have put off green lightning and has killed 5 people in Shamrock as a result of trees being struck and blown apart like frag grenades. This deadly storm is moving into the Tulsa area. Okay, the National Weather Service in Tulsa has continued the severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Creek and Tulsa counties. The warning now calls for 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts, golf ball-sized hail, and the aforementioned green lightning is now being tagged in the warning. The National Weather Service has no explanation for the mysterious green lightning, but scientists speculate.
Scientists speculate? Your weather service has no explanation? That's because this is the first time you've seen me, and this certainly will not be your last.
A deadly and catastrophic situation. We apologize for the brief station pause. We were just experiencing technical difficulties and now we seem to be back on the air.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Creek and Tulsa counties until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, storm spotters reported a measured wind gust of 78 miles per hour and golf ball-sized hail 2 miles northwest of Kellyville, moving east-northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: 80 miles per hour winds, golf ball-sized hail, and a deadly barrage of green cloud-to-ground lightning of unknown origin. Source: weather spotters confirmed.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tulsa County Emergency Management Agency, in conjunction with the Creek County Police Department. Multiple reports of homes destroyed, roads damaged, and cars totaled appear to be the result of the green lightning from the currently severe warning storm located just north of Kellyville. This storm is expected to move eastward towards Tulsa and Broken Bow. Anyone in the path of this storm should evacuate either north or south immediately. To repeat, anyone in the path of the storm is urged to evacuate immediately, and drive either north or south to get out of the storm's path. If you are caught in the storm, run to the nearest ditch and stay as low as possible.
Good evening, I am Mariah Davis, and you are watching KTUL, your place for all things in Tulsa. And speaking of Tulsa, the National Weather Service has placed us under a severe thunderstorm warning, but not like any usual storm. This storm has been producing green lightning that has caused damage and destruction across Creek County, with many towns like Bristow and Kellyville reporting heavy damage, and a few fatalities have been reported as a result of this strange green lightning. We're going to turn the floor over to Chief Meteorologist Kathy Whitworth with more details. Kathy?
All right, thank you, Maria. As previously mentioned, the storms have killed a few people and is causing a strange phenomenon where the lightning is green colored. Global Lightning Mapper data shows that there have been 2,450 lightning strikes over the past 15 minutes, and radar is showing the storm still intensifying as the storm moves over the Tulsa metro. Tulsa County EMA relayed a
Sorry about that. But you all should stay and enjoy the fireworks. Makes for a good sight before your puny lives whittle away one by one.
Shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tulsa County Emergency Management Agency. Tulsa is currently being blasted by a deadly lightning storm. The storm was intensified over Tulsa, and reports coming in have indicated that 40% of the Tulsa metro has been obliterated and destroyed due to the green lightning. Officials urge residents to shelter in place immediately. Escaping by vehicle is no longer a viable option, and you put your life at extreme risk if you are outdoors. To repeat, shelter in place immediately.
So this is how I shall make my grand entrance. The whole world shall see who I am, and regret crossing paths with me. As for you, you'll just have to stick around and stay tuned, see what's to come.